Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Mustang 6G 6th generation and you need to remove or replace the trunk release switch. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that in this video. If you need to buy any parts too, you want to save quite a bit of money and get them at a good price, check out the link in the description of the video below. We'll share it there. Another thing, as you know, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's go ahead, start on it and show you what needs to be done now. So, now guys, what do we need to do? We need to get a prying removal tool. We need to remove that trim piece. So that trim piece, if we get a prying removal tool, we're going to go underneath it and there is a few places where it will have clips. A few places where you may have multiple clips. So let's go ahead and see if we can find them, to come out, because it will be quite tight, guys. Let's see now. Oh, I almost came out on this side. Perfect. Coming out now. Careful with these two. Snap together probably here. Let me see what's happening here so we can actually analyze. Right here there is one clip, plastic clip, right here. So, if we come over here in an angle, let's see if the two will come together out at the same time then. And I broke the plastic prying too, but the thing didn't come out. Those clips are extremely tight. So the first thing, guys, that we need to do, let's explain now. First we need to remove that piece here, because that piece, goes, on top of this piece. So first we need to start right there with a clip removal tool or prying tool. Just be careful, guys, because everything is so tight on this car. Somebody tried to remove that in the past probably. You can see the plastic tool is broken. We have another clip right here on top. And that trim piece came out. Check it out, just like that. So now, one bolt with 7mm socket, we can go ahead, remove that one. You will need to remove that to replace the switch or to replace knee airbag, anything like that. Here you have multiple clips that we need to pry. Just be careful, guys. When you pry, came out pretty easy. So 2 clips, metal ones on top, 2 on the bottom. All we have to do to disconnect it, press down here and pull it out. This is your headlight switch. Next we need to come to the right side, and right here there is another panel that we need to remove, and I think that's where the thing for the climate control is. Right here, that fell out because the airbag exploded. So here you will have a few more clips again, and you need to get a clip removal too. And we practically just need to remove a few. On the bottom it's loose, it's just on top. If we can get on top here, I think it will come out. Perfect. Now later you need to reinstall your thing here for the for the climate control. I believe that one is, because right here you can see we'll have a screw and a bolt. Screw right there, 7mm. Let's go ahead and remove that one now. That's for the airbag, guys, right there, for the knee airbag. Perfect. Now let's come to this side right here. We have 2 more that we need to remove. Alright, this one is about to come out. Let's see underneath. We might have, let me get the light on there. See if we have any there, on that panel only here. And let's inspect what we have specifically. Okay, for that specific little panel, let's let's go ahead, okay, and pull this one out. Okay, perfect. Just like that. Now that's the switch for the, okay, for the trunk release right here. Press down and disconnect it just like that. So the trunk release switch now, it's pretty simple, guys. Okay, you just go ahead, press the clips on the sides and push it down at the same time and it comes, okay, just like that. If you need to remove or replace the trunk release switch, that's how you do it, guys, on Ford Mustang 6G, 6th generation. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.